Hey there, future medical professionals! Today, I'm diving into the essentials of specimen collection, documentation, and registration for laboratory tests. These steps are vital in ensuring accurate diagnoses and treatments. So let's get started. First things first, documentation and registration. When a patient arrives at the reception desk, the reception staff registers the patient and documents important identification and demographic data. This includes their registration or hospital number, rank or designation, name, age, unit or address, and the test to be conducted. The staff also checks the patient's entitlement using various identification methods like a family treatment card, unit certificate, individual identity card, or discharge documents. After verifying, the patient receives a receipt detailing the tests and the expected delivery date for the lab report. Then, the patient is asked to wait in the designated waiting area until it's time for specimen collection. Now on to the collection of specimens. This process varies depending on the type of specimen required. For blood samples, a phlebotomist will typically use a tourniquet to locate a vein, clean the area with an antiseptic, and then draw the blood using a sterile needle. For urine samples, patients are given a sterile container and instructions on how to collect their sample properly. It's crucial that each specimen is labeled correctly with the patient's details, type of test, and the date and time of collection. Accurate labeling prevents mix-ups and ensures the right tests are conducted on the right specimens. Finally, dispatching the specimen to the respective department. Once collected, specimens need to be transported to the appropriate lab departments for analysis. This often involves placing the samples in biohazard bags and ensuring they are handled according to specific guidelines to maintain their integrity. Documentation at this stage is equally important. Each specimen's journey from collection to the lab is tracked to ensure there's no loss or contamination. This meticulous tracking helps in maintaining the chain of custody for the specimen, which is crucial for accurate lab results. And there you have it. Collecting and registering specimens might seem straightforward, but every step is vital in ensuring the accuracy of lab results and ultimately effective patient care. Remember, attention to detail is key. Thanks for tuning in and keep those stethoscopes ready. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.